Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael coming at you again with week 50 of the Robinhood 52-week options trading challenge. Let me be the first to tell you this week was full of its twists and turns, but you know the deal, or maybe you don't. But anyways, if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post new videos every week and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. Also, if you don't mind just gently tapping that like button right there, I would really appreciate it. It really helps to grow the family, and yeah, like I said, I really appreciate it as well. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to check out my referral link down below in the description to get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400 just for making a small deposit on Webull. And one last thing before we get into the video, I'm just going to take my Instagram and I'm going to leave it right here. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm recording this from my iPhone right now. It is Monday, it is pre-market, and it looks like the SPY came back down, so that should be good for my call credit spread. But yeah, as you can see, I'm on a walk right now, and my plan for the day is not to really look too heavily in the charts. I don't have much money. I want to play Zoom. I'm doing things I don't want to do, but it is the plan that I have for this challenge. So my plan for today for the market is to sell those shares I have for Coke, because I don't have any capital right now. Sell out of those. That should give me about $250. And then in the last few minutes, the last 30 minutes, last hour of the stock market being open today, I plan on buying a call for Zoom. Then I want to hold it all day tomorrow for the earnings run up. And then hopefully I get to ghetto spread, stay in that without having to worry. But by the end of the day, I'll have made the decision on whether or not I want to stay in that play, whether I want to go ghetto spread, or whether I just want to cut it right there. This challenge is on its final leg, so I'm kind of just doing whatever. But anyways, that's it for Monday pre-market. That's the plan. And when I get back with you, we will see if I stuck to it. All right, so it is Monday after market close, and as you saw earlier today, we had the plan going into today, so let's see how it went. Okay, so as you can see, we're here in the handy dandy Robinhood, and I see something I have not seen in a long time. We're up 4.98% on the day, and that comes out to be $26.65. So first off, praise the Lord, praise June for the green we're seeing right now. But let's hop in the portfolio, see what I'm holding, see how everything's doing. And yeah, so as you can see, I'm still holding the SPY credit spread. Went down a little bit more on that today. I'm still holding the BABA put, went down on that today too. And then I grabbed a Zoom call, a Zoom put, and an HSBC put. Okay, so we're gonna go through, look at these, look at the positions, and then talk about what my plans are with them. Okay, so looking at the SPY call credit spread, we're down $11 more on it today, but as the premium expires, I think we'll be better. If we go and look at the SPY, we're still below my break even, so that's good. And it's actually a lot lower than it was after hours. I would have realized the max loss, which is great that it's down below my break even point now. So I'm kind of chilling with this. I'm gonna let premium do its thing, and hopefully the SPY comes down tomorrow and just makes it better for me. But looking at this spread, my break even is 305.71 and it is trading at 305.63. So if it expires right where it is, I get $8 profit off this, so that's cool. But yeah, we'll see how that plays out. Going on, I bought this Zoom call towards the end of the day, but I was really enticed to hop in on Zoom around this area this morning, but I said stick to the plan, and that's what I did. I bought in the last hour, and as of right now, we're up $36 on it. So yeah, that's cool. Could have had more profits, but you know, let's not focus on what we don't have and look ahead and see what's popping off there. Then with that Zoom call, plan on playing a run up. Hopefully I can ghetto spread that tomorrow and get my initial investment out and still be in the play in case it does make a major move to the upside. And with the possibility of it coming back down, also got this Zoom put. Right now I'm at break even, $30. Basically, this is just here in case Zoom just falls like a knife. So we'll see how that plays. I don't plan on ghetto spreading this. I plan on leaving this naked. We'll see how this does. And then BABA, we're down another $3 on the day. It closed down 27 cents, so we're kind of just gonna wait on that one. So yeah, that's my portfolio on Monday. I will catch you on Tuesday. And it is Tuesday after market close. And let me tell you, today was a day. But I can definitely show you better than I can tell you. So let's hop in the handy dandy Robinhood and take a look. All right, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood. And as you can see, today did not go my way. We're down 23%, $130. And I did follow the plan, but it did not go as accordingly. So let me just show you. If we go, we look at the Zoom put I had. The Zoom put lost $22 in value today. And then going and looking at the other Zoom call that we bought into, sold out a minute before market close. The IV didn't quite run up enough. Sold out for $220, so I took a $34 loss on this. The very beginning of the day, I had the chance to sell out at $440. I was really enticed. Wish I did it now. But yeah, it didn't really go my way. Fell at the beginning of the day and did not come back. Okay, and then with the SPY was on the tear today. Okay, so we're down on this credit spread and it looks like the SPY has been ripping up after hours. So as of right now, it's looking like I've lost the full value on this credit spread too. And as of right now, I'm sitting at break even on this HSBC put. And then on my BABA put, we're also down $9 on that today. So, oh, and looks like the value of the Gush calls went up $25 a day. So that helped out a little bit. But it looks like other than the Gush calls, everything that could go against me today went against me today. So yeah, that's how Tuesday went. I will catch you on Wednesday. It is Wednesday after market close. Let's hop in the handy dandy Robinhood and take a look at how today went. Okay, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood. And as you can see, today we are in the green. And for some reason, I don't know why Robinhood's doing this, but we're up a lot more than Robinhood says we are. We started the day at $431, and now we're sitting at $612. I don't know why Robinhood says we're only up $27, but we are surely up much more than that. So yeah, let's take a look at my position, and let me give you a walkthrough of the day. So to start, here are my positions. Right now, you can see I'm in this Zoom put that is absolutely worthless. And then I have a Microsoft call that expires on the 12th. And at the moment, we're up $29 on it. So yeah, that's good. And then I'm still holding that HSBC put. We're down $7 on it. It expires on the 19th. So we'll see how that goes. And then still have my BABA put that we're down on. I'm still going to hold on to that too. And yeah, as of right now, we're down $38 on that. And of course, my Gush calls didn't move today. So yeah, we're chilling on those. But heading over to the statements and history, you can see that my day quickly started out by, I closed out a Zoom yesterday and I really wanted to play the continuation today. That's exactly what I did. How I found my entry and exit points is really I just looked at the after hours highs and lows, used them as support and resistance, and that's how I decided when I got in and out of the trade. So I bought the call at $170. And maybe an hour and a half later, I sold out for $380 right here. Yeah, so off that play, I made $210. And then as you can see, this was actually before I was able to sell out of that Zoom call. But I bought back my SPY call credit spread, and I was pretty close to taking the max loss. I got out of this for $7 away from the max loss. And had I held on to it, the SPY is well above 307. I would have lost all my money. So I'm definitely grateful that I was able to at least keep $7 of it. So yeah, that's how this one closed out. And then about midway during the day, I decided I wanted to get in on Microsoft. So I bought a Microsoft call that expires on the 12th. And that leads us to our current market positioning. So yeah, that is it for Wednesday. I will catch you on Thursday. It is Thursday after market close, and today was a rather interesting day. So let's hop into the handy dandy Robinhood and take a look. Alright, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood, and as you can see, we are down 10%. That is $65 even. Taking a look at my portfolio, most of my positions, they either didn't move at all or they were in the green. And really the main thing that really brought us down today was this Microsoft call. Okay, so looking at this Microsoft call, it is down to 98 cents per share, and on the day it is down $74 overall. So yeah, not the best day for this Microsoft call, and this call actually expires next week, so I'm definitely watching this one closely. But with that Microsoft call to the side, I did actually pick up one new position today. Shout out to the boy Philly Chef Bowl from my Discord group. If you're interested in joining the Discord, I'll leave a link down below in the description. But yeah, shout out to him. He scoped out eBay for the day. I hopped in, made a play, And as you can see, it is a 51 call on eBay. This one expires next week too, so I won't be in this one too long. But I got it in for $48, and as of right now, I'm up $6. I actually bought 2 contracts, so I'm up $3 per share. And actually earlier today, just a few minutes after I bought it, it ran up, and I thought I saw so much promise in this. I was feeling it. It's like I bought it at the perfect time. But then of course it came back down along with the SPY. But yeah, that is my portfolio for Thursday. I will catch you on Friday. And it is Friday after market close, and of course, as always, I'm so grateful to be here with you in this moment. So without further ado, let's hop in the handy dandy Robinhood and take a look at my portfolio. Okay, so here we are in the handy dandy Robinhood, and as you can see on the day, we're up 121% today. Lord knows how much we needed this, guys. $665, and if we take a look on the week, we're up 119%, $659. So yeah, we got most of our gains today. Actually, all the gains and a little bit more today. So yeah, today was big for making movements towards the week, and also got past the psychological barrier level of 1,000. So that was big for me personally, because it just seemed a lot harder to trade with a little bit of money. Now I feel like I have a little more wiggle room, able to do more with less, and also going back down to that lesser amount of money. After being slapped down so many times, I feel like I won't take having so much cash for granted now. But with that being said, just looking at the buying power right now, we went into the weekend with $910 buying power. Now let's take a quick look at my positions. Okay, so as you can see, I'm still holding that those 2 eBay calls I bought yesterday. I am down $36 on them overall. Still holding the HSBC put. We are down $12 on that. I have 2 260 Boeing calls that I picked up today. I'm up $46 on at the moment. Also against these calls, I sold the 265 Boeing calls, and as of right now, we're down $18 on those. And really my reason for doing this, I just wanted to ghetto spread and kind of not have to worry about that over the weekend. I was kind of hoping Boeing ripped up going into the weekend again. But again, I didn't want to take the chance. Wanted to go into the weekend with as much cash as I possibly could. And if for some reason Boeing opens way up, I still have the potential of making up to $1,000 total off those contracts. So yeah, that's my reason for that. And then as you can see, I'm still holding my BABA put, which right now it's looking like it's not doing so hot. It's down to 7 cents. It's way out of the money. And now it's not really looking like that's ever going to really get another chance to be in the money. And then last but certainly not least, these Gush calls I'm holding today. Today was a huge day for them. Okay, so I bought these a while back, and this is the first time that it's moved this much, and I don't know how long. Collectively, these calls are up 75%. That's 83% on the day. And just taking a look at the history, I've been holding these so long it doesn't even show the date I bought them. But yeah, it feels good to be back on these. I remember these went down to a value of a penny a contract, and almost nobody wanted them. So I'm just really glad I held on to them. But all my positions aside, let's go into the trades we made today. Let's see how we really made so much profit today. Okay, so here we are in my statements of history. And as you can see, the day started off with these Boeing calls. The first order I put in this morning was 2 orders for a 260 call at $1.12 per contract. And I held those for a couple hours, and I was able to sell out of the first contract about 2 hours into the day, and I sold out for $3.50 per share. Then some more time went on. I went on to sell out of Microsoft for $1.74. In doing this with Microsoft, I took $30 profit on Microsoft. Then after I took profits on Microsoft, I continued to watch the other Boeing contract that I was in, and it looked like Boeing was peaking, so I sold out of the second contract around 10:37, just 30 minutes after the first one, and I sold out for $4.15. And this is where, and these 2 contracts are where most of my profits came from. So bought into those Boeing contracts, and I sold out today, so I used up the day trade with that. Then some time passes, and I decided I want to get back in Boeing. So I wanted to buy the exact same contracts, but they went down in price. So I ended up buying 2 for $2.39 each, and it came out to be $4.78 overall. So yeah, I bought that. The day was coming to an end, and I didn't get my full initial price I paid back for them, but then I ghetto spreaded for $4.40, $2.20 for the next strike, and that leaves us where we're at now. So yeah, I'm happy with that last ghetto spread, because if Boeing does go up, I'm still able to profit off of it, but I still have most of my cash on hand. So either way, it's going to be a win-win for me. But either way I see it, it's a win-win for me. So yeah, that's how we did this week. But I want to know, how the stock market treat you this week? Let me know down below in the comments. Also, if you're new here and you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. And again, if you haven't already, please be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to grow the family, and I really appreciate it as well. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.